Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you guys a real versus fake video. I'm super excited to be doing as well. Disclaimer real quick, my neighbors are yelling. I'm super sorry. They have like 5 kids and they're always fighting with each other. You guys already know when it's all boys, it's like a wrestling match. Like, it's so bad. But yeah, you guys, I bring you guys a real versus fake today of the Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I've been having this palette sitting in my drawer for like 2 to 3 weeks and I haven't done it, and I really wanted to do it when it first came out, but eBay be taking a freaking year to send you your items. So today I bring you guys this video finally, and I'm recording it and all this good stuff, and I'm super excited because I really love doing these real versus fake here on my channel. And let me just tell you guys real quick a disclaimer as well. I'm not telling you guys to go buy the fake product, no, because you guys have to give credit where the product originated from. But yeah, you guys, I do want to show you guys the fake products, because if you guys do want to go a little bit cheaper, there's always someone on the internet trying to sell you guys something super cheap. And let me tell you guys, if it's super cheap and the product literally just came out like 2 months ago, it's fake. Let me just tell you guys, put that out there. And I'm not letting you guys know like go out there and buy this product, it's super cheap. Like, no, the makeup that's fake, it has really bad chemicals in there. God knows what's in there. We do not know, and we do not need to know. Just buy the original product, save your coins when you know a makeup product is coming out. For an example, if you guys don't follow Trend Mode, go follow them. They let you guys know when new makeup products are being released, and you obviously have time to go ahead and save your money or earn money some type of way, so you guys can go ahead and get the original product. If you guys didn't know who I'm talking about, I will leave them linked down below. Their Instagram will be down below. They really help me out when I know something's coming out. I know to save my coins, and obviously I'll have the money to go out and buy the real original product. And it's always so much better when you have the original product, because the tones and everything is actually what it is when you see in YouTube videos and in the pictures that the brand is posting. That's super good, and it always makes me happy to have new makeup and I can recreate a makeup tutorial that everybody else is recreating. So let's go into the video before we get further into this conversation. But yeah, we're gonna go right off into the box. If you guys are to purchase a real palette, you guys know what the real Anastasia palettes look like, what they feel like. You just know they're always in that little velvet material, so everybody always knows what kind of palettes they have. So eBay not so good at doing the velvet on the palettes, so you can just automatically tell by looking at them that it's a fake product. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the real product, what it looks like, what the box looks like, and what you guys can watch out for. So I do have the real palette. I purchased it the day of its launch, and I got it 2 weeks later when I purchased for 2-day shipping. I didn't really get it for 2 weeks later. I just got it like a couple days more later than what I paid for, because there was nobody talking about this, because like all the YouTubers were out and about on this fashion week, I think it was in New York. I'm not too sure. But I really wanted to get the palette so I could review it for you guys and be one of the first people. But then obviously I have such bad luck that the palette got here so late, and the video was already up 1 billion times. So I was like, really? I did put my video out a couple weeks ago. If you guys want to see, I will leave it linked in the description box down below, or a card up here somewhere. But other than that, this is how the real box looks like to you guys. Let me get a little bit closer. This is what the real box looks like right here. This is the Soft Glam palette, and then obviously it always says the name of the palette, and then Anastasia Beverly Hills. The back of the palette is just Soft Glam, the ingredients they do, explaining what the palette could be used for day and night. Obviously the barcodes that it has, the Anastasia stamp. It also always has the EZ number right here, which is the number that's in the back of your palette. That's the number of your palette. That's the stamp, the batch of the palettes, I mean, or whatever. And then you also know that it always shows you back here the palette. Then we also already know how the real Anastasia palettes look like. This is what they look like right here. They have always a silky velvet material, which is so bomb. Disclaimer about this material is only if you grab an eyeshadow and you accidentally touch and you try to wipe it off, you're going to mess up your whole palette. So what I do is I just blow it off and grab my brush and like try to flicker off the product off the palette. But this is one of my favorite palettes. This is compared, it's just as good as the Modern Renaissance. It doesn't get any better. But yeah, this is how the palette looks like. It also says the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. The back also looks like the back of the box. It just doesn't have the palette. And if you guys go ahead and look at the palette, you could see that your number is engraved on this eyeshadow, which will normally be always engraved into this little sticker. It won't be on the top like the lettering. It'll be engraved on your sticker. I don't know if you guys can see it. I hope you guys can see it right there, right here. That number is what's on the back. It looks cute when I first started doing the videos, and then after I really get into them, I just look like a whole different person. But then we're gonna go into the palette, which looks like this. Sorry for the fingerprints, but like you guys see, the Anastasia logo is imprinted on the mirror. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then Anastasia right here, obviously like they always put it. They do come with brushes. My brush is like lost with the other brushes, but this is how the palette looks like. If you guys haven't seen the palette yet, this is what it looks like. I believe they do still sell it, and it is a really good palette, you guys. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys the names, and obviously they're spelled correct, and I'm gonna be putting them on the screen. So the first eyeshadow from here to here is Tempera, Glistening Orange Soda, Rose Pink, Sultry Bronze, Mulberry, Dusty Rose, Fair, Burnt Orange, Sienna, Rustic, Citrus Umber, and Near. So there are a couple of shadows down here that Anastasia already has. Just want to put that out there. If you guys want to go and purchase this palette and you just like a couple of the shades, then these shades are obviously single shadows, some of them, and some of them are on your Modern Renaissance palette. So that's how it looks like, and if you guys can see, they really sculpture this really pretty, super sharp. It's not like bulky or anything. Then we're gonna go into the Jealous Friend, which it says Soft Glam, obviously on the box, Anastasia Beverly Hills. But you guys could already see the difference of this. This one's not like a pop out like the Soft Glam palette is. It's like a printed on there. It's not as skinny. And this right here is like almost identical. Besides, the Beverly Hills is really small, and they look like they're using a little bit different fonts than what's on here. Hope you guys can see that. Then this is exactly how the box is, how you guys are seeing it with a little dent right here. This is exactly how the box was sent. So then over here, obviously, if you guys notice, the print is not as much as the real palette, and you can see the freaking palette right here is not a pop out, doesn't look like the real box. And then obviously, yeah, it has everything the real box has. Let me go ahead, we're gonna be looking at this together. This is just ugly. So far, it looks like they spell all the names the same, but sometimes when you look at it, you really don't tell. That's the box. There's nothing really much to the fake box. Then we're going to go into the fake palette, which just feels like shit. It just feels like fucking disgusting. It just looks like this. It's just really ugly. It doesn't look like the real one. Soft Glam on this one, on the real palette, is engraved into the palette. This one's just over top. The Anastasia Beverly Hills is a different color, and it's super huge compared to the real one. And then we're going to open it. This looks like they just put a box on here. Like literally, the feeling of this palette is like if it was a box. Then when we open it, this is what it looks like. It does have the Anastasia logo imprinted in there, which it looks really like they didn't even try. Like they grabbed a Sharpie and did it, you guys. That's how bad it looks. And then the Anastasia Beverly Hills is the same. It's just a little bit bigger on the real one. Then we have the palette, which the colors are 100% off. This is what it looks like. It's just not cute. And then we're going to obviously show you guys the back. The back looks like this. It doesn't have the engraved number barcode, so right off the back, that's how you know this palette is fake. Looks exactly the same. It doesn't have the barcode on it. Basically, the back, they actually tried a little bit. They just didn't highlight the words, but this is how this looks like. And I'm going to show you the fake palette a little bit longer so you guys can see what to look out for. The closest thing on this palette to the real one is the actual brush. Like, can we talk about these like everything's off, but like this color to this color, it's like they just like, I don't know what they're doing. You guys see the difference? What I'm telling you guys? Different to its fullest. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Really, really off, right? Super off. So that's why it's always good to spend your money on the real product, you guys, because the quality is obviously not going to be the same. I am going to show you guys the swatches now of the real and the fake. Really, really watch out for what you guys are putting in your eyes. I mean, I'm nobody to tell you guys to not put your card into eBay or AliExpress or Wish and Mama, because, I mean, you can do whatever you want. You just have to really, really be careful what you're putting on your face, because you really never know what they're putting in here. And you don't even want to know. I've heard they put like rat poop, gasoline. They just put so much stuff into this that it's just ridiculous, you guys. But yeah, let me show you guys the swatches. If that's something you guys are interested in watching, keep on watching. Alright guys, so that's the real versus fake. Thank you so much for watching my video. It means a lot to me. As well, if you guys can go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, if you're new, welcome. And if you're not and you've been here, hey girl, what's up? Thank you for coming to the end of this video. I love you guys all so much. Let me know what other palette would you guys like me to review, a real versus fake. Remember, I'm not telling you guys to go out and buy fake makeup. Always go ahead and give credit where it's due. What that means is give credit to the original makers, the people that had the ideas. And thank you, Norvina, for coming out with these amazing palettes. You're always helping your mom out, and that means a lot. So yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and I'm out. Bye.